Hello, folks, students and professionals. Let's welcome back. Another important tip, probably like a real-time professional aware of these kind of small things, but beginners definitely it will be helpful for them once they have started in support projects and certain analysis. Okay, so what is the topic today? Okay, so basically, what I would like to discuss about this one. Let's learn different ways to find sales order number if you only know purchase order number. Okay, what could be the context generally? If you see this, generally you will open VA02 or VA03 for sales order change and display. But if you don't know the sales order number itself, how could I able to track? We have a different ways. Probably I can able to explain you, okay, regarding this. And before moving ahead, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, it is holding 843 videos. Okay. So what I would like to request additionally, if you really wanted to have a dedicated learning, currently I'm holding 6,319 students with 1,000 plus almost 98% positive reviews. Okay. So this is one of my top course, sales and distribution. In that it is 113 hours and with 428 lectures. And if you look at this, I specifically recommend it. If you already have done the course without doing these stroke courses, never ever try to attempt. That means if you do the course at my end, if you don't do the course at my end, it doesn't matter. Real time idocs with 5 scenarios you must learn, and this is getting master to write functional specification. These two are very important. These two courses common for all functional consultants. Better give a try so that you'll have an understanding about irrespective of any module where you are working. Okay, so if you see this one, these two are my courses for pricing. If you really have that interest to learn, you can able to try all these courses. I'm just providing these links below of this video. Let's getting into the topic in a quick way. Okay, so we're now in SAP. Okay, so uh, let's try to check this and press enter. Okay, so here I'm just giving the sold to party. Okay, so for example, so I'm just trying to choose this. This is just an example. So because it's not real-time system to show something, I'll just do it like, your PO got created like the series like, Q 0000. Let me put it in caps. Q. Okay, assume that this is the quotation number. It might be like, I would like to tell you what is this PO number, how it is linked. Like, this is the purchase order, like the customer who would like to buy the stock from you or else service from you. Okay, so this purchase order means like, if you go to any shop, okay, you'll buy certain articles, whether you go for Big Bazaar, whether you go for Reliance, whether you go for normal Kirana shop, anywhere outside of small outlet, you would like to buy certain things or else you would like to order some food. Okay, that means you are the customer. Okay, the place you are getting the service or goods, that is called the company. So purchase order means this is the identification. Okay, what you have ordered to certain a company to track by the company, and again it is a proof from your side if something happened at legally at your end. Okay, so don't get into the details. And this purchase order number is very important. Without purchase order number and purchase date, most of the times you don't have like MM and SD cycles. Okay, specifically when you have this purchase order number, what are the real reasons you will get purchase order number on your sales order number? The first thing is that it can be manually entered. You can able to enter like how I entered Q some zeros. Okay, or else the purchase order cycle it is got created at some end in SAP. The PO number also as a reference number you can able to enter it, or else it can be outside of your SAP system so that you can able to enter manually. Maybe you are using Excel, maybe you are using any other third party software SAP you are using for OTC cycle, then definitely you have to enter this PO number. Okay. What are the reasons? Like if you know PO number in real time, if you don't know the sales order number, yes, chances, because in support project, so the end customer or like, support consultant says that, against the PO, the sales order has some issue. So then they will give the PO number only because it is created outside of the system. It can be Salesforce, it can be Hybris, or it can be SAP Hybris, or it can be some cloud system. It can be an offline system like Excel. It can be anything for that matters. It can be Tally for that matters. They'll give the PO number. This is what the issue is. This is what the timeline is. Certain time that you will get a severity issues on this. You have to find all these things. Okay. I'm not giving the fear. I'm just trying to help you out here. If you have anything, you can able to comment. I'll try to get back to you and what you want based on my timeline. Okay, for example, I have created this one. Okay. Let me create one more. Just assume that, this is the orders already got created. Okay. And I would like to tell you one more thing. Certain at times, your sales order might be failed to integrate in SAP system. Certain case, how you can able to find it out that I have explained in my idocs course, and the tip I think I have already given out of 800 plus videos. I don't know. You check if you cannot able to find that one, you let me know. I'll try to tell you like some sample example. Okay. So let's take one more order. So let's take this one as something like, so I'm just taking this one as some. So these are the P1 numbers, you got it. Okay. So let me try to copy. This is the P1 number. You don't know sales order. Like, day to day, it's a global project. It can be created, so many things. Okay. Out of the way. Okay. So like you got a call from your customer care or else a ticket from your customer, you don't know the sales order. Okay. How do you find out? This is a simple thing. If they give the PO number, okay, or else if you know the sold to party, you can able to find it out. All the other different ways, but it is difficult because if you give the sold to party, you will get the history of sales orders. You don't know exactly. If the PO number is not unique, is one problem. Otherwise, if PO number is unique, then you can able to find by PO number. Of course, sales order is sold to party is unique, but you will get a history of whatever it is got created on that particular sold to party. Suppose if the customer is from last 10 years, where do you find which PO number belongs to and which year and which month it is got created? It's always important. You have to search by PO number. For example, so let me check. So Q, I'll put it the Q star. Okay, we have two PO numbers. If it is test, you can keep it. If any number significance, you can able to find it out. If I give the Q star for our example, okay. If in real time, if you get exactly the PO number, you have to copy so that you can directly get the sales order which got created. Suppose what is the significance? If it is inbound, if any sales order is coming, and if it is failed, someone has given PO number. First, you have to search here. Give the PO number for whatever the inbound idoc from third-party system or SAP to system, SAP system to SAP system. That one is coming and creating. Here, you will give the purchase order numbers. Okay, don't take this one as a lighter note. It is very useful in real time. So this tip actually, okay. So let's try to search here. Okay. See, so whatever the Q we have given all, we got it. For example, this is the one. Okay. So now it's easy to find out your sales order number. For example, I'm just pushing this one. So now you got your sales order number. That's how it works. So let's copy this. So assume that exactly in your real time. So your certain inbound idoc is failed. Okay. If it is created, then only you will get it. That's what the surprise it is. If it is not created, there is another way to find out by using the P1 number and P1 number field. Okay. So you can able to find it out. That is a different story. W19 or something like that. Okay. So probably I have done that video. You can try to search. See, now you can able to find like this with the direct P1 number. Okay. This is one way. So one way you got it, like, how to, by using P1 number, how to find sales order. Let me show you second way. Okay. /n VA05N. Let's go here. Okay. So now you don't know the sold to party. You don't know nothing. You just know only PO number. Just give the PO number here. Okay. So let's put it. If it is open sales order, it will come as an open sales order. Otherwise, better put it all sales orders. So this is how you can able to find it out. Here, this is what you can able to see this. This is the sales order number. Again, is this PO number. This is the second way you can able to find it out. What is the third way? This is in most of the times consulting way, VBAK. Okay, let's put it PO here. So just give the PO number here. Simple. You can able to find it out. See, these three ways, it is very, very important. I'm telling you, my friends, in real time, I have used certain sales orders. It is got created in hybrids, certain purchase orders information. It is flowing to the SAP system. Certain case, it might be failed. Sales order might not be created or sales order might be successful. So for example, sales order created, price is not integrated. Okay, then it is SAP issue. If sales order created, delivery failed. Why? Because price incomplete log is there. Or certain times your material itself is in exclusion. Like these are kind of different issues will be there in real time. So that's why don't take standard for granted. Okay. Do the practice with that seriousness so that you'll come to know all these methods. One is at table level I have shown you. And second is what? Direct VA02 or VA03 with search I have shown you. Third one is VA051. How do we know? If you join just like that, it won't come your knowledge just like that. You have to do the practice. Okay. So I think you have learned something. If you really you would like to like this video, please like it so that I can able to do more videos with more interest. If you really have the passion to learn on SAP, okay, so you can choose my Udemy forum. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Wishing all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.